Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unmute notes on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then right here tap at DMs icon to open up your conversations list. Right here at the very top you can see the notes. Here I got the note from my another account, and let me quickly mute it. I can mute note in that way. And now let me show you how you can easily unmute a note on Instagram. So just move on to your Instagram profile, then hit at menu icon, select settings, then tap at privacy, and then scroll down to the very bottom until you find muted accounts. And it shows you all the accounts that you muted before. They grouped into different categories. The first one, as you can see, it's muted notes, and the last one is muted posts and stories. And right from here you can open up any profile, then hit where it says following, then hit at mute, and right from here you can select which type of content do you want to mute from that specific user. As you can see, just notes are muted now. You can easily unmute it, and if you wish you can mute, for example, stories or posts or both of them. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.